how to see how many hours you played on a Roblox game. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is any way to see how many hours you played on a Roblox game. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Roblox app on your device. Alright, so once you open Roblox app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on three dots just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so now from here, tap on profile. Alright, so from here, you'll have to scroll down and go with the option view full profile. Okay, so from the section, you'll have to scroll down, and here you can know that you can only see your join date and place you visited. So there is no any way to see how many hours you played on a Roblox game. So like you can also back from here and go the option settings. So simply tap on settings, and now from your account info. Okay, so from here you can also know that you will only get the options like your username, display name, your email address, password, birthday. So now in Roblox there is no any options to see how many hours you played on a Roblox game. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.